In today's video, I will walk you through how to add Passkey to Gate account. A Passkey provides a faster and more secure way to sign in without needing to enter your password every time. It uses your device's built-in security features, such as your fingerprint, face recognition, or screen lock, to verify your identity. Let's get started. Once you're logged in, you'll be ready to update your security settings. Click on your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Security. Look through the available security options and find the Passkey section. Click Turn On to begin the setup process. A pop-up window will appear asking you to verify your identity. Depending on your account settings, you may need to enter your password, complete two-factor authentication, or verify with an email or SMS code. After verification, your browser or device will ask where you'd like to save your Passkey. You can save it on your current device, a password manager that supports Passkeys, or another compatible device. Then, simply confirm using your fingerprint, Face ID, Windows Hello Touch ID, or your device's screen lock. Once verified, your Passkey will be created and linked to your Gate account. After setup is complete, you'll see your newly added Passkey listed in the Passkey section. You can also assign it a recognizable name if multiple Passkeys are connected to your account. The next time you sign in, you'll have the option to use your Passkey for a quicker and more secure login experience. Using a Passkey not only speeds up the login process, but also adds another layer of protection against phishing and password-related attacks.